There is something magical about summer mornings. Right after I finish up at the gym, I head straight to the balcony with my loyal dog tagging along. She sticks around, keeping me company even when I settle down for my daily meditation. Some might call it a routine, but to me, it's our special summer rituals. Even the smell of coffee is different, better during these warm months. I love to set up our outdoor table and enjoy my coffee while I dive into my journal. Life feels easy and slow, just the way I like it. But there is one thing that can put a damper on my perfect day. Rain. Why does it have to rain in the summer? Looks like I'll be spending my day indoors this time. That's alright though. It's cozy, comforting, and just as special in its own way. Alright, it's time to step back into the reality of life. But let's sprinkle a bit of glam in there, because we are worth it. Quick venting session about my new Calvin Klein joggers. How can they possibly call it small? Looks like my fancy outfit plans are shelved for today. Apologies for the less than perfect look. I thought there might be a break in the weather, but no such luck. It's still pouring down. Today's morning task? Diving into video editing. Even in the rain, we keep moving forward. Let me tell you about my simple yet yummy lunch. As a Brazilian, I eat beans and rice every day. Today I added some greens, but I didn't worry too much about veggies. I'll have lots of those at dinner. This dish may not look fancy, but it's a big part of our diet in Brazil. Plus, did you know? When you eat beans and rice together, you get a full protein. It's basic, but it's really good for you. Usually after lunch, I treat myself to a protein bar for dessert. This one from Costco is my top pick. Then I like to kick back a little and watch TV. Yep, I am a fan of the Real Housewives franchise. Got a favorite city from the show? Drop in the comments, I'd love to know. On top of the protein bar, I like having an apple. It's my quick snack just before I start talking with my clients. I really love being a wellness coach. It took me some time to find my true calling, but now I cannot imagine doing anything else. Once the rain stopped, I got to return to my favorite spot, the balcony, and catch up on some reading. This week I've got Dom Casmurro by the famous Brazilian writer Machado de Assis. It's a classic from my homeland that I read a long time ago, and I decided to give it another go, but this time in English, because I was curious about how it was translated. And we have some novelty here this summer. I've got a tomato plant that's been giving me fresh tomatoes every couple of weeks. Today I picked some, chopped them up with some garlic, and picked fresh basil leaves. They are all set to dry in my dehydrator. I always say how good it is to try making new foods at home. You don't need to swap out everything you eat for homemade stuff all at once, but you can get creative and find new ways to replace what you usually buy. And you are going to find a lot of new fun things to do. When hubby got home, we took the dog for a walk. If I could choose just one thing from summer to keep all year round, it would definitely be these lovely afternoon strolls. When was the last time you just hang out with your loved ones? Not doing something, just being there with them, without any distractions. Try doing that more often, and you'll see how much happier it can make your life. Now it's time for dinner. Like I said before, I've added lots of veggies to our evening meal. I cooked up some shrimp, which is a lean protein we really like to have this time of year. I think it fits perfectly with these warm summer nights outside. And that wraps up my simple, healthy day. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and it sparkled some ideas to add more joy to your everyday life. As you can see, it's not about fancy stuff or tough routines. It's all about balance and living in the moment.